good, my people? I'm back again with another one. So as you can see, I've got a really nice Jordan box here, which has an orange Jumpman, black cement print. What am I talking about? Khaki cement print, khaki green box. Very nice. Not going to talk about the box too much because I get comments saying don't talk about the box. And then as you can see right here, Air Jordan 3 Retro medium olive. If you want to read the rest of the sizing, all that good stuff, just pause it here. Style code DM0967-202. So let's get straight into this pair. So this pair is medium olive, which if you know about this color, that's the name of it, medium olive. It's got a nickname which is the Family Affair. I'm not gonna call them that if I'm completely honest. This is the Jordan 3 medium olive, as you can tell by the whole upper, which is medium olive. Lovely pair, lovely silhouette. So we'll go straight to the bottom. Gum sole, which you cannot ever say no to. I don't know what it is about a gum sole. I don't know who started it, I don't know who invented it, but shout out to them because wow, it really makes a shoe sometimes. Then we've got a bit of orange here, some undefeated vibes, some people might say. And then we've got this sail color, and then a darker green Nike. So just a standard Air Jordan 3 sole. However, obviously it's got different colors. Midsole is sail, and then this bit sail as well. It's just a little bit different, so the shades of it is slightly different, but it's still sail, just one's a bit darker, one's a bit lighter, whatever. Airbag, you can't see inside too much, but it's still that same sail colorway. And then on the back we've got this black wraparound to about here on the midsole, and obviously you can see the gum sole right at the bottom. Upper is nubuck, a lot of nubuck on the upper. We've got it here on the collar as well, on the laces. Then the back we've got that classic cement print, this time in that green / khaki type. Also on the front, around the toe box, we've got that same khaki cement. And then on the upper, I don't know where I've got these marks from on the shoe, actually, it's kind of annoying me. But yeah, on the upper, we've got that same nubuck all around, more or less. On the back, we've got that plastic back tab. This one's quite stiff. There we go, with the Nike Air. I prefer the Nike Air. I don't care about, oh, it's not an OG model. It is an OG model. It should have a Jumpman instead. It should have Nike Air. I like Nike Air on the back. So that's just me. Keep the Nike Air on, I don't mind. If it's Jumpman, I don't mind either, but I prefer Nike Air, I think. So yeah, we've got those khaki laces with a nice contrast around the other shades of green. So the khaki, olive, khaki, I call it khaki. On the tongue, we've got that Jumpman as always in green, khaki green, olive green, medium green, whatever you want to call it. Different shades of green. But yeah, I really do love this shoe. If you don't know, probably don't care, but khaki green is one of my favorite colors, especially in clothing, trainers as well. Especially like these sneakers, trainers, whatever you want to call them, I really do like. I have seen a few people say change the laces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a few different lace swaps and probably post online, you know, like a little poll of what I should do. So I'll probably do black, probably do a different khaki color. We'll do a sail as well, because a lot of people are saying sail goes quite well on these. I don't recall seeing it or anything, but I'll definitely try sail also. But yeah, lovely shoe. Honestly, love this color. Even on foot, it looks so good. You can wear it with all black. I've actually got some khaki like cargos which match this color perfect. Then I'll just wear like a black t-shirt on top to not overdo it. But very, very nice pair. I'm so happy I waited out and picked these up on sale, because something told me they are going to go on sale and to grab them when they go on sale. So here I am. But yeah, not got too much more to say about this shoe. I do want to rate it. I'll say 8.5 out of 10. Really, really good shoe. Or actually, we'll say 9 out of 10. I don't want to say 10 out of 10. I don't know why, but 9 out of 10 is basically my 10 out of 10. Let me not waffle too much. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, click that bell icon. And yeah, take care, my people.